Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the underwater camera mode in your Oukitel WP300. So, actually this is very easy. I know that it sounds extremely hard to do, and this option is actually very difficult to find because this is not here in the tools, this is not in the camera. To use this underwater camera mode, at first you need to open here the control panel. Enlarge this panel, tap this pen icon. Search for the underwater here in this hold and drag tiles. If you see it here in this section, wider section, this brighter section, you don't really need to do anything, just go here. But if you don't, you need to add it. Here, as I can see, we have this underwater, tap it. Now, underwater camera. The function of touch and key excluded volume and power key will not be allowed in underwater mode. Please press the power key if you want to exit this mode. Click the volume up to record or capture. Click the volume down to switch modes. So, as you can see, here we have the volume up, capturing. With the volume down we can switch. And with the, as you can see, hold, we can reverse if we want to front or back. Now we can record a video, and to exit we need to click the power, and as you can see that works. Goodbye!